How to change username on Facebook or how to change your Facebook username. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can change your username on Facebook. Well, after the latest update, the process is actually quite simple and easy. What you want to do is you want to first make sure that your Facebook application is updated to the latest version. You want to simply open up your Facebook application once you do so, and what you want to do is you want to tap on the three horizontal or the hamburger icon at the top right corner of your screen, and then you want to tap on settings option or the gear icon. Once here, you want to scroll down all the way below until you find the option account center. You can see Meta account center. This is the new feature on Facebook. You want to simply tap on it. Once you tap on it, you want to let it load up, and you can see my profile there. You want to simply tap on the profiles option there. Once you tap on profiles, it should be able to show you the connected profiles here. Now this might take some time loading up, and you can see my Facebook and Instagram is connected, so it's showing up. You want to simply tap on the Facebook option since you want to change your username of Facebook. Once you do so, you'll get two different options. Here you can see name and username. If you wish to change your name, you want to simply tap on name. If you just wish to change your username, simply tap on username, and here it'll prompt you to the change username page. Unfortunately, I don't have any username until now. I haven't set it up, but if you just want to change it, you want to tap here and you want to enter in your new username and then tap on done option at the bottom of the screen. If the username is available, you'll be able to change it. So this way you can change your username on Facebook. Hope this helps you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.